right, let's dive into one of the biggest challenges in AI right now. How do you get a bunch of smart AI agents to actually cooperate and work like a real team? It's a super complex problem, but a new framework is popping up with a solution that is, well, surprisingly simple.
So here it is. This is the question, right? You can build these amazing specialized AI agents, but getting them to collaborate on a big, ambitious goal, that's a whole different ballgame. It's often where projects get stuck.
And if you've ever tried to do this slide probably hits a little too close to home. It's a world of messy orchestration, writing mountains of custom glue code, and building these fragile connections that feel like they're held together with duct tape. It's tedious, and it just doesn't scale.
But what if you could throw all of that away and replace it with this, a single function call? That's the promise from a project called Open Multi-Agent, and honestly, it's a total game changer. Okay, so what is it exactly? Well, Open Multi-Agent is a framework built entirely in TypeScript. Its whole job is to take a big goal you give it, automatically break it down into smaller steps, figure out which steps depend on others, and then run everything it can in parallel to get it done fast.
This really is the core philosophy. The whole thing is designed around this incredibly simple but powerful idea. You just give it the goal, it gives you the finished result. You don't have to worry about all the messy stuff in the middle.
That sounds fantastic, maybe a little too good to be true. So how does it actually pull this off? How does it go from a simple goal to a fully working, whatever you asked for? Let's peel back the curtain. You know, the best way to think about it is like having an expert project manager who also happens to be an AI. You don't need to handhold this manager or give it a super detailed to-do list. You just tell it the high-level objective and you trust it to figure out the plan of attack.
And here's what that AI project manager is doing behind the scenes. It's a really logical four-step process. First, you give it the goal. Then, a special coordinator agent breaks that goal down into a concrete plan with individual tasks. Next, the framework cleverly runs any independent tasks at the same time. And finally, it takes all the outputs from those tasks and pieces them together into one final result for you.
But here's what's really cool. You're not locked into just one way of working. It's super flexible. For a quick, simple job, you can just use run agent with a single agent. For that magical, automated experience, you use runTeam. And for you power users who want total control, you can use runtasks to map out the entire workflow and decide exactly which agent does what. Now that high-level simplicity is amazing, but it's only half the story. Let's pop the hood and look at the features that make this a really serious tool built for developers. And yeah, there's a lot of power here. It's TypeScript-native, which means no messing with Python or running extra services. It gives agents a shared message bus so they can actually collaborate and share information. You can enforce structured JSON output with Zod, so no more dealing with broken responses from the AI. It's also got practical, real-world stuff built right in, like automatic retries, approval steps for human to check things, and even detection for when an agent gets stuck in a loop. This thing is clearly built for production.
Okay, so with a feature list like that, you're probably picturing some massive, complex library, right? Well, that's where things get really surprising. 3, that's it. It has just 3 runtime dependencies. That is unbelievably lean. It means less bloat in your project, a smaller attack surface for security, and a code base that you can actually read and understand without needing a PhD. So a framework is only as useful as the tools it works with. What about the LLMs, the actual brains of the operation? This is another area where Open Multi-Agent just gets it right.
The answer is pretty much bring your own model. All the big names are supported right out of the box. Claude, GPT, Gemini, you name it. But look down at the bottom here, because this is huge. It also supports local models through things like Ollama and vLLM. You are not locked into any single cloud provider.
And I really want to emphasize how powerful this is. You can use the big, state-of-the-art commercial models when you need to. But you can also spin up your own local models for things that need more privacy or to save on costs. And the best part, you can mix and match them in the same team. You could literally have a GPT-4o agent working right alongside a local Llama 3 model to solve the same problem.
This quote just brings us right back to that core idea of simplicity and transparency. It's not some mysterious black box. It's a tool that's designed to be understood. For a developer, that's incredibly reassuring.
So after looking at everything, the smart orchestration, the developer-first features, the model flexibility, it all comes back to this one beautiful idea. This is the promise, and it's what the entire system is built to deliver. Goal in, result out.
And that's what we'll leave you with.
A tool this simple and this powerful really lowers the barrier for building some incredibly sophisticated AI systems. It just opens up so many possibilities. So the question is no longer how, but what are you going to build?